Good morning, namaste, and welcome to the vlog. Today is Tuesday. So, my work of the labor is still going down. They've come in the morning. A lot of work is pending outside, a lot of things are happening. For now, going down as it's Tuesday, I have to do puja part. That doesn't miss at all on every Tuesday. And after that, soon after that, as soon as it's done, we are going to Mapsa because we have to meet them. And yes, need to sit, walk around, going. So that's the plan for now, going Mapsa and entertaining. For now, let's do our cleaning. Just reached Mapsa, so I've come to Max to buy some gifts for them, especially kids. Elderlies are sorted.
We have already bought.
We already bought, so right now let's see what we find. And it's in 50% off, right? So it's 50% off. It's 50% off right now in Max. We are going to do shopping, but we are waiting for 70% off. It's going to be somewhere in the mid-Jan. Let us see. And yes, you might not get what you're looking for, and particularly, but the costing is very cheap. So if you're buying 2 jeans, 4 jeans, price of it. Yes, I'm coming. So let's go for shopping. Finished little bit of shopping. Gonna fuel. So the thing is that right now we are going to fuel. We're gonna take something to eat because we are veg today. And yes, we are veg today. And off we go. Keep this in. We reached Mapsa sometime back. Had our lunch. Planning to go out to take them somewhere. Our relatives were there. Your Didi and all. So let us see. But right now I'm dropping you to Nani's place.
Yes, so happy.
Upa Masi, everybody's there. So.
Then I'll go to pool.
Oh wow, nice. You're gonna go pool?
Then I'm ready, so I'll go to pool.
Okay, fine. So she's gonna go there. She told her plan. And then in the market to repair my watch. Maybe something else also work. I'm gonna come back. I don't know whether we're going out or not, but hopefully we are. I'm not so sure about. I'm just saying if we're going, it's going to be somewhere on this side, Porvorim other side. Maybe on the beach, max to max, nothing else. If not, there's no plan. Going to be on top with them. Going to eat food. Going to chill. Do a lot of talking. And tomorrow they're coming back to Panjim. So yes, tomorrow we are roaming Panjim area. Temple visit. Just 2 of us. From 5th Jan. Just giving an update so you can come do a lot of street shopping. Right now there's auctions going on to the places. Ganesh Puri temple since it's Tuesday.
Shadow
gone to temple just to pray, just to take them out. Only the few ladies who are bored, they just said they're bored, so just thought of getting them out. Temple, I don't know if we're going to the beach or not, but yes, for sure going back home. Bought them pizzas to eat just for a change. And it's quite cold outside now. Hangayo. Chicken.
Maka machika mashile. Boy, kide ha. Yo. Hey, Rachi. Nice t-shirt. Come.
Wow.
ये कोण ओपन करतलो आता? ते म्हाका दी. आणि हे ओपन कर. It will fall behind. Let's just surprise here. Wait. Papa कहाँ करता तू? काढिया? किती हे रहते? वॉशिंग मशीन. मीरा आपले कपडे अंगा वॉश करल्या.
ते किती काढले बाय काढू नका हिरा सगळे शेंटल आहे ते क्लीन जाता बाबू तिथून मी किती इनसाइड
पकड़ा उसको पकड़. दी. अशी
चालू बिन जाता ते
आणि इथले चुल्ला.
तिथल्या तुला कपडे धुवायचे मी तर तिथे तुला आता
नाईस. मीरा तुझे डॉलचे टॉयज कपडे बिन
सफोकेटेड देवी हा गो ओके जस्ट मेक अ सिट डाउन इट्स ओके ना पुट डाउन
इधर तो कर रही है.
होल्ड
आई एम जस्ट होल्डिंग.
तू वर्ल्ड पे तेवढे
मुझे देखते
इधर कर रही है.
इंग्लिश में गालू था
You really want to go now? Traffic is crazy.
Where?
All the way. हम लोग सुकूर के अंदर से आए.
हाँ हम लोग वैसे ही जाने वाले हैं.
बाबा वहाँ से हमको 45 minutes लगेंगे.
To be ready.
हाँ चलेगा.
we'll go in some time
Don't go by the normal road. There is one more road. At that normal road, two people from that house are waiting. If you take that normal turn, नहीं जा रहा है गाड़ी अंदर. वो pack है. We went through Aldona. We came out of Aldona ना. Aldona से होके आगे जाके. Yes. We touched that road. फिर अंदर से. Because at that junction, two people from that house are waiting कि रास्ता पूरा बंद है मत जाओ.
अगर आपका कल छुट्टी हो तो मैं इसको इधर ही रख के चली जाती आज
So this is December, guys. If you're coming from the main road or any road, use Google Maps. Avoid traffic. It's havoc. Let us see now what we are going to face now. Hopefully we're going to use Google Maps and see there's nothing. Who? Your friend? Who?
who's your friend
That's my daddy.
वो देख लिया
In the गाड़ी में.
नजर रोहन का है she saw inside का कर
इधर साथ के वॉश करा कपड़े.
मम्मा की हेल्प करोगे मम्मा जी खा रहे कपड़े इधर
Quite not hungry, but let us see how it works right now. Bit skeptical of this route now. Let us see. We're off to go. We're going to eat something in Papa's place and then leave out. So we have just reached home. We are playing with the new washing machine toy. Nice washing machine, right? Nanny gave you. So she's gonna do that. She's gonna play for a while. Gonna watch a movie. Let us see what movie. Mom is cooking food. It's 9:30. Gonna eat. I'm gonna go to sleep. So you guys have a nice night and ciao ciao.